This video covers how to configure some major configuration options within the button interface of the AlphaPix Evolution. This video does not cover networking. See our other video on that task. Now we're going through the idle screen. We can just briefly press the M button, and what we can do is go through the various different options. So we're on 1. I'm going to go backwards by hitting the negative button, and I'm going to go to About. That, if we selected S, would tell us the serial number of the unit. Not usually that useful. We can go to Load Defaults. There is an ability to reset the controller by using these two buttons at Power On to also load defaults. We'll go ahead and select Yes, and if we say OK, we can now load the factory defaults. This will clear your controller completely of all settings, IP addressing, and all DMX universes, channels, and other configuration data. All right, so let's go back in again, and again we're going to go backwards here. These are the two outputs right here, DMX1 and DMX2. So these are these two ports. We can go in here, enable them or disable them, and we can set the particular universe, and I can click OK. That will save the setting. And we can go in here again, and I'm going to go backwards again. And we're at output 48. Now if we roll around to the beginning, we can see that we can go to output 1. So output 1 would be this bank, then 33. All right, so this has to do with the specific outputs. Now we can go ahead and select that, and we can select the Start Universe. So you can see I can change this, and I can press the S button again. I can select the Start channel within the universe, and I can click how many pixels are connected to that particular output. And by default here we have 170. Now this video does not cover the uniquenesses of if you have more than 170 pixels per port or output, that can result in rolling universes. So see our other videos for that. And we can set null pixels. Null pixels are a empty pixel that doesn't work. It's just there to repeat data. We can zigzag. And again, see our other videos, mainly through the web interface, on how these particular features work. We can also reverse the output so that the pixels start at the end of the string and go backwards. This also can be done in software. And we can go through all those. Now, once we've got them all, just click over here on the OK, and you're set. And then again, not all configuration options, including the protocol and the temperature fans, can be set through this button interface.